Hey, what's going on, guys? Antonio here with CarSmart Automotive Police Interceptors. So guys, we have a 2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 police pursuit vehicle that is in the restoration process. The vehicle just got back from body and paint, so it's got a brand new paint job on it. Okay, it used to be a black and white. So just want to give you an insight on this vehicle, show you what we're going to do to it, and if you might be interested, also you could give us a call 909-457-5500 or text us at that same number. If you're interested in a police interceptor, the time to buy is now. We have promotions on our site, on our website at cainterceptors.com or drivecarsmart.com. You will see some vehicles on sale. Sorry guys, I do not edit around here. So cars on sale, and so you're gonna get a really good deal. So if you're in the market for Interceptor, guys, the time to buy is now. All right, guys. Anyways, let me show you, and yeah, we'll go from there. But here, so it's got no spotlights on it. Okay, it's got the hose on it. So we're gonna put some spotlights on this vehicle. It is a 5.3 flex fuel. Okay, it does have the holes for the push bar, right? Not sure if I'm gonna put a push bar on it. Not sure, right? Because I've seen it with just the spotlights, and it looks pretty badass, personally, right? Anyways, so here we go. So we're gonna be doing some dome lights on top, okay? And we have to fix this right here, right? So we're gonna add a center console. I believe it's a what is it? It's in the back. I think it's a Troy point, right? So we're gonna put that center console in here. We're gonna go through every single wire to make sure that nothing needs to be or touching somewhere that shouldn't be touching, right? Or making a certain contact. We're gonna go through every single wire to make sure everything's fine. We're gonna get all the auxiliaries back on. We're gonna do a pretty badass setup here. We're gonna put this back on here. Okay. 1 second. Train's coming. Just fix the seats. So we did 2 of these here. Okay. Fix that already. Okay. So let me show you the back. So we're gonna put we're gonna make sure the doors work, okay, and windows work with the switch, okay, and door handle, okay. We're also gonna fix all the panels, okay. We're gonna obviously add the door panels here, okay. And yeah, look at the back. We have all those plastics, all those covers. We have them, okay. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna more than likely do a regular, put a regular back seat back here. Don't think I want to put a cage on it. You know, maybe I'll do I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe just the rear cage here. A lot of people like that, in case they have stuff in the back, and you know, they want to keep stuff in the back safe. And maybe a tray cover. I'll maybe do that, but. And obviously, guys, the car is filthy, dirty as shit, right? So we'll clean it all up, make it nice and beautiful. Here's the money right there, guys. So it's a flex fuel. So here in Riverside, California, as of today, this car gas is roughly around flex fuel. We've seen it like low threes actually. So and I've seen it as low as 275, 285, which is pretty awesome. Okay. But anyways, I like that it has a tow package. Okay, a lot of these Tahoes do not come with a tow package, so I love that. Okay, right, check it out. So you have the these here are the cutouts for the red and blue lights, right? And so we're not gonna do anything there. All right, it's got the Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tire, right? So these tires are badass. All right, look at the other door. So yeah, we'll fix this. We'll get it all taken care of. Oh, I forgot to show you. let's look at the center console. So it is a Troy product. Got the cup holders. We're gonna leave it all loose. We're gonna fix all that. Get it all in there. Make it nice and clean. Right? Got this damage here. I took it to upholstery and I completely forgot about this damn thing. So back to upholstery right before it's done, or right before detail. Right? So here's another angle of the front. Right? We're gonna go through all those wires. This is part of these wires here are the ones that connect to auxiliaries and computers, right? So we got to go through all of that, make sure everything is cool and ready for, you know, the outfit, ready for what we're gonna do to it. Okay, so there's that. This is the spotlight hose right there. For now, I gotta just probably put some tape on it here because I don't want to be driving. If I'm gonna drive it, I don't want to be, you know, hearing a bunch of wind get through, right? And so yeah, but anyways, it's got about 100,000 miles on it. It drives really tight, you know. I'm actually very, very impressed what Chevy did with this model. And but yeah, guys, this car will probably be available in the next couple weeks. And stay tuned for a video for this car. And if you have any questions, please give us a call, 909-457-5500. I'll be more than happy to help you out. My name is Antonio, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace.